Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your BMW X3 cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task improves air quality and airflow. First, gather your tools: a new cabin air filter, a T20 Torx bit with a ratchet, and a flathead screwdriver or trim tool. A good flashlight will also be very helpful for seeing into the tight spaces. Next, open the passenger side door and look under the footwell. You'll see a trim panel. Find two plastic tabs on this panel and turn them 90 degrees counterclockwise to unlock. Carefully lower the panel, and if there's a small light, disconnect its electrical connector to fully remove the panel and gain better access. Now, locate the filter housing cover. You'll need to remove two T20 Torx screws. After that, release the two plastic clips holding the cover in place. Pivot the cover down and carefully slide out the old, dirty filter. Pay attention to the airflow direction indicated by an arrow. Install your new filter, making sure its arrow points in the same direction as the old one. Finally, reattach the filter housing cover, securing both clips and the two Torx screws. Reconnect any electrical connectors you detached earlier. Then, reinstall the footwell trim panel, ensuring it aligns properly, and twist the two plastic tabs clockwise to lock it into place. Replacing your cabin air filter every 2 years or 20,000 miles ensures fresh, clean air inside your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.